Hello students, myself Dr. C.R. Chagule, Head Department of English, Gopal Krishna Gokhale College, Kolhapur. This lecture is for the students of BA3 Compulsory English. Name of the paper F is English for Communication for the semester 6. Let us know the module 7A, Media Writing. Writing for the media can be difficult, especially for beginners. Practicing the following skills will help you improve the quality. Knowledge of APA style. Most media outlets use AP style, the style established and constantly updated by the Associated Press as the foundation for basic news and media writing. AP style provides consistency in writing across media outlets and publications. You should purchase the latest edition of AP style book and familiarize yourself with this AP style, because you will be required to write in this manner for messages intended for media outlets. The style book is available both online in hard copy. In general, AP style has evolved to ensure that media writing is accurate, impartial, and clear to the audiences. You should have the knowledge of grammar and punctuation. Audiences hold media and strategic communication professionals to a high standard when it comes to knowledge of grammar and punctuation. To assist you in learning how to write for the media, here are a few basic grammar and punctuation rules. Use simple sentences that follow the subject, verb, object order. Use active, not passive voice. Active voice helps with clarity and concise writing. Understand word choice and meaning. Be aware of commas, uses, that is, set of modifiers, separate an introductory phrase or word. Ability to simplicity information. As a media or strategic communication professional, you will need to synthesize and make sense of a great deal of information for your audiences, often under a strict deadline. This takes strategy, good storytelling skills, and the ability to focus on the essential information. Audiences respond better to information that is presented in a logical order that supports the overall narrative. Focus on accuracy and details. When you write for the media, you are represent not only your personal brand but also the broader organization for which you are producing content. Precise writing and transparency give newsrooms credibility. Misinformation can severely diminish the integrity of the media outlet. Selecting appropriate sources and verifying information obtained from those sources, referred to as fact checking, can help minimize inaccurate writing. Accuracy also means using proper grammar and language appropriate to the audience. Ensuring accurate reporting and writing can be challenging. Fast-paced media environments make it tremendously difficult to thoroughly gather information and fact check it in a short amount of time. Outstanding attention to detail is necessary in order to catch errors in content, grammar, and punctuation. Taking the time slowly review your message will save you from the consequences of misinformation or careless errors. Similarly, a big part of the writing process involves editing and revising your work, either by you or by an editor. Few writers can produce material that cannot be improved or does not need to be altered for the style or content reasons. Objectivity. Objectivity is one of the principles of journalism, according to the code of ethics of the Society of Professional Journalists. Media writing should provide well-rounded analysis and stories that include all major perspectives. If you present one organization point of view, you should also quote one of the competitors or discuss the contrarian perspective for balance. With the expression of opinion columns and blogs, writers should not express their personal opinions on a story or event. Instead, they should write objectively, presenting the facts and leaving it up the audience to decide how to feel about information. Clarity. Media professionals generally write for a large mainstream audience. Clear and concise writing makes it easier for a wide variety of groups to understand the core message. Complex sentence structures and jargon that you might find in traditional academic writing are not appropriate for diverse populations. Use simple sentences to get your point across. Thanks for listening me carefully and attentively. Thank you.